Hey, hi there everybody. Well, I'm using my live streaming setup to actually make a video. And I'm down here in Florida, and the weather has been terrible these past couple weeks, and I'm trying to learn how to fly FPV. And it hasn't been cooperating. And I'm really trying to learn how to do this, and I thought that the best thing for me to do would be to practice in the house with the little Eachine M80 Whoop that I have. And of course, as I've been practicing, I've been recording the FPV footage from this. And the other night, I decided to throw a GoPro up and catch the drone flying by. And I thought it'd be interesting. I'm going to play some clips of my indoor adventures, and I'll narrate them as we go. So without further ado, let me go over and explain what's going on. In the upper left-hand corner there is the DVR, and the main body of the picture is, of course, the GoPro. And as the drone comes flying down the hallway there, you'll see it whiz on by. And if I turn on the sound here, we might even hear it. There we go. So we got drone noises being picked up by the GoPro, and you'll see the little drone whizzing around up and down here and there. And I had a good old time, and I've discovered that this is a great way to learn how to fly, because you're really boxed in. You can't go too high, you bang into the ceiling. You can't go too low, you land on the floor. You have some nice long straightaways. I got some bedposts, as you can see, to fly around, and sometimes I do better than other times. This was late at night. I was tired, and I did 3 flights. And I think that on one of the flights, I just banged into everything. But you know what? I decided I'm just going to show you the good and the bad for what it's worth. But learning FPV, flying through goggles, is just a whole new world for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut up and put on a little music and just sit back and let you enjoy this. And I might chime in now and then. I think over here I was starting to get kind of low on battery, and no, I guess not. But push up on the throttle and the thing doesn't go, and finally it just gives up the ghost. You don't want to run the batteries down too far. But anybody that's interested in learning to fly FPV, this is probably the least expensive and least destructive way that you can do it. And here I think is where the battery was running out. So now I moved the GoPro. I clipped it onto the top rail of the bedpost there. So now I'm actually inside the bedroom, way down at the end of that long straightaway that runs through the length of my house. And you might not see as much of the drone, but I thought it'd be another interesting angle. See me come flying through the bedroom door. Here it comes. Boom! I think this is the flight where I was getting a little tired, is banging into everything. Now I am flying this in the stabilized or angle mode indoors. Outdoors, I've flown this little drone in the acro mode, but for indoor flying, it's I'm sure once I get a little better at it, I might be able to do it in acro mode. But a lot of people recommend that you fly mainly indoors in the stabilized mode. Boom! I don't know about you, but I get a kick out of watching this. This little drone gets about 4 minutes, a little better than 4 minutes on a flight. It uses the single cell 500 milliamp little batteries. The drone comes with 3 batteries and a charger, and it's a little over $50. It has the FR Sky receiver in it, and you just bind it up to the FR Sky transmitter, and it's very, very simple. Not a great drone for outdoors. It's very, very light, and it's one of the nice things about it. You can smash it into anything and it won't hurt the drone or whatever you smash it into. Now, in this one, I decided I mounted the camera in the kitchen. got stuck under the couch there, so I had to go get it and reset it back on the kitchen counter. And right here is where it runs out of battery. So, I hope you enjoyed that. For me, it's been, I think, the best way to really get used to this. And there's no substitute for just flying the thing and banging into things and getting used to the feel of the sticks and taking all your visual cues from what you see in the goggles, which is the part that I'm having the most trouble with. Even after a lifetime of flying RC airplanes and helicopters and jets, the hardest thing for me, and maybe it's because I'm getting old, but the hardest thing for me is to coordinate the stick movements with the visual cues only that I'm getting from the goggles. So I would recommend that this is a great way to start FPV flying, where you're not going to break a lot of things and you can practice as much as you want, regardless of the weather outside. And between this and the simulator, I think I'm really beginning to get the hang of it. So thanks for watching this. I hope it didn't bore you. And as always, I'll give everybody the rest of the day off and just go play with your drones. Take it easy.